Hey there, Sharon Peterson here, and welcome to Quiet Ambitions. Short video on how I harvest sunflowers, and I use all of the plant. So first, the obvious part is the seeds. I harvest these sunflowers, I just cut a stem, cut off all the leaves. I will hang this to dry. I am not going to use the seeds for eating. I am going to use these for chicken food. So in the fall or in the winter, I will throw these out to my chickens and they will have a ball picking them apart. The second thing I do is I use the stalks. So this is the stalk of the sunflower. It is heavy, it is solid. I've never done this before, but I'm hoping it works. I'm gonna put these up in a place where they can dry over the winter, and then hopefully next year I'll be able to use them as garden stakes. So all of the leaves and refuse from the plants I collect. I'm going to pile them on the ground here. I'm going to use my lawnmower, mow over them, bag them up, and then I'm going to lay it out as mulch right on the row where the sunflowers were growing. And then last but not least, the stumps I left in the soil. So the roots, the stump, and everything are hopefully going to start breaking down and by next spring be soft, and it's just going to add to the microbes and all of the life that's in this soil. It's a brand new garden and it can use all the help it can get. I know that I'm going to plant green beans in this section next year, both of these rows where the sunflowers were. So if there's some stumps still left over, it's not a problem. I'll just plant around it and it's no big deal. So leaving the stumps in there and it's going to add to the soil. So that is how you harvest a sunflower, and you use all the parts. Not just the heads with the seeds, which is the obvious part, but everything in the whole plant. Just think outside of the box and think how the plant can be used. If you want to know more about how to harvest sunflowers and see the whole thing step by step, check out the article that I will link below in the description. I hope this was helpful. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.